Hello and welcome. Have you ever found yourself browsing through Amazon and you find that the products are right but the timing is wrong? So you just want to add the products to your wish list. But how do you add products to a wish list? How to make a wish list in Amazon? Hello everyone, welcome to 1-2 Step. In today's guide, we're gonna see how we can add products to wish list. It basically has 2 steps. The first step is obviously to make a list, and second is to add items to the list. Now, let's get started. If you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure that you can navigate to amazon.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, do sign up for an account and sign in with the credentials. Once that's done, you will have a interface something like this. Now, here at the top right section, we have your lists, all right? If you want to create or make a wish list, we need to create a list. So let's select it. In here, we need to give our wish list a name. Let's just say wish list, all right? And create list. So next time you are browsing through the amazon.com, let's say gadget store, and then this phone, all right? So here at the right section, you have add to list. If you click on this caret sign, there will be the list of your lists. Now select the one wish list. If you want to view all the items in your list, you can do view your list. Since this list is just created, we only have one item in here. If you happen to select the wrong list, you can also do move and then select the list that is appropriate. But for now, our list is good, so we don't want to change the list. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. Still have any questions? Do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.